In this video, I'll show you how to get the blue verified badge on Roblox. First, you need to understand that the verified badge is not something you manually apply for and instantly get. Roblox automatically awards it to you once you meet their requirements. So let me walk you through what you need. If you are a content creator or public figure, you need to have at least 100,000 followers on a major platform like YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. If you are a musician, you need at least 100,000 monthly listeners on Spotify. If you are a Roblox developer, you need to own or have at least a 10% payout share in a game that has over 1 million hours of playtime in the last 90 days. If you are a UGC creator, you need to have earned at least 2 million Robux in the last 90 days and sold over 200,000 items. On top of that, no matter which category you fall into, you must have two-step verification enabled on your account using an authenticator app. You also need to be active on Roblox within the last 180 days and be in good standing with Roblox community guidelines. Once you meet all of these requirements, Roblox will automatically give you the verified badge. You do not need to do anything extra. That is how you do it.